Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make perfect Shopify product descriptions that are going to help you convert more visitors into sales. I'm going to show you the simple three-step process, so stick around and watch the entire video so you can get all three steps. Okay, before we get started on the training on how to create the perfect Shopify product descriptions for Google Shopping ads, I do want to let you know that I only have one more slot left for the Ecom Beast Academy training with the free one-on-one coaching session. So with that, you're going to get a free coaching session that is going to help you set up your campaigns. We're going to be on a live one-on-one coaching call through Skype or Zoom so that I can help you set up profitable campaigns, and you're also going to get the training as well. So you're going to get both for one price. I only have one spot left. So if you are interested in getting help with setting up your Shopify store and setting up your Google campaigns, whether it be your feed or the regular search campaigns, whatever you need help with, I can help you out in that free one-on-one session that you're going to get with the Ecom Beast Academy. Also, I have a huge list of USA dropshippers inside of that training area as a bonus as well. So if you would like more information on that, go ahead and click the link in the description right now so you can get that before it goes away. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with step number one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at other Shopify store owners who are selling the same product that we're selling and other product pages to get some inspiration and ideas on how to describe the product, because you want to make sure that you describe your product accurately and precisely so that the customer knows exactly what they're getting ready to purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at a Shopify product page. Okay, so here is another Shopify store who is selling this exact product. They have theirs on sale for buy one, get one 35% off. We're going to do something a little bit different, but they do have a decent paragraph here. I do recommend adding a little bit more to this paragraph, and I'm going to talk about that in this video, but this is kind of going to give us a little bit of an idea of what to put. Also, we can go over to Amazon and we can also research the same product and get ideas from Amazon. And you want to find the actual product that is very close to what you are already selling. Like this one right here. This one looks like it's very close to what I'm already selling. So if I go back to Overload, it looks like that's the pink one there, and it's about maybe 8, I think, other, something like that, 8 other designs or colors. So this looks like this is pretty close. It has a C handle just like the one I am selling. So what you want to do is you can come over to the product page and get some ideas on what to actually put in your own product description. Okay, so that is step one. Now step two is going to be to copy and change it. So I'm not going to tell you to plagiarize and just copy everything word for word. You want to mix it up and you want to change it up. You don't want to have the exact same words in the exact same order. So I'm going to go back to Overload, and first I'm going to change this title. Reversible umbrella is the main keyword. If you're doing Google Shopping, you want to have your main keyword at the beginning of the title, okay? So that it is relevant. Your relevancy score for Google Ads goes up so that your product can be shown for the exact search term that you want it to be shown for, and you can get cheaper clicks that way because your product is actually relevant. It's going to have a high relevance score. Okay, so make sure your main keyword is at the front of the title. Okay, I'm going to go to the description. I already have a description here laid out. I'm going to edit it a little bit. So you want to make sure, let me make a space here. You want to make sure that you have your keyword at the front of the description as well. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to paste something that I already set up. You want to make sure you have a title or something like this with a promotion that you're doing for that product, if it's going to be 50% off, 60% off, whatever, and then put that in the front of the description and make sure that you have that there so they know that you have your promotion going on. So that's going to increase your conversion right there. Okay, and then in your actual description itself, you want to sprinkle the keywords throughout the entire description. So I'm going to edit this a little bit more and make sure that the main keyword is inside of this description. Also, you don't want to keyword stuff. You don't want to put it in there too many times, but just make sure that it's in there at least 3 to 4 times. Okay, so let's see. Smart umbrella. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to call it the Smart Reversible Umbrella. Okay, so I have it changed right here. So there it is. We also have it again here, reversible umbrella. Okay, and we can take it out every time it says Smart Umbrella. So if you get like a description from Amazon and it has like a actual product name in there, you could change it to your own product name or your own store. You can put whatever store reversible umbrella or whatever product it is, like trendy store reversible umbrella or whatever your store name is. Okay, so I'm going to take that out, and as you can see, I went ahead and changed that. I put our Smart Reversible Umbrella collects water when it closes. Okay, so you want to make sure that you change up the description. Like I said, do not keep it exactly the same as you found it on Amazon or on another Shopify store's product page. Do not do that. You want to mix it up and you want to change up the words, rearrange it, all of that. You're just doing this to get inspiration on exactly what to write. Okay, so this is step 2. You're going to rearrange it and edit it and make sure the words and stuff is not exactly the same. So you can also come to the Amazon product description and kind of see they're putting like 90-day replacement guarantee in their description, this is going to go with step 3, which is trust. You can do 30-day replacement guarantee or 30-day money back guarantee. You just want to highlight some of the actual bullet points or the actual features of the product, and that is exactly what I did here. I put the packaging weight, the packaging size as well. I'm gonna put in there at the end, I'm gonna put 30-day replacement guarantee. This is gonna add trust. Okay, so there we have it right here. Let's see what else they did on Amazon. They just highlighted more features, like it's an auto open reverse outdoor umbrella. It's wind resistant, it's durable. You can stay dry and keep the floors and cars from water dripping everywhere. So you can go back and put some more benefits in there and highlight the benefits. And also right here, you can actually put the keyword right there too. So you can put reversible umbrella highlights or whatever product it is, and then highlights or specifications or features, whatever. Okay, and also you want to make sure you add a picture. Okay, this is going to help your description look professional. It's going to allow the customer to see the product again up close. Okay, so I'm going to add a picture. I'm going to pause this. Okay, so I paused the video and I added a picture. So here is the picture. It displays all of the types of umbrellas and all the designs of umbrellas. So there's the picture. And then last but not least, I don't know why my mouse keeps doing this. Last but not least, you want to add trust at the end of the description. So when they're scrolling through the description, reading everything about the product, and they come to the end of the product, maybe they're convinced to buy and they just have a couple of other questions. Should we trust this store? Should we buy from this store? What makes me want to trust this store? That's what you want to put at the bottom of the description. So I already have something written out here on my pad. This is what I use. I put the handling time and the shipping time to make people aware of how long it's going to take for them to get their product, because a lot of the customers are asking themselves, how long is this going to take for me to receive my product, and should I trust this store? So that's what I put on my product pages, and this can actually minimize chargebacks and things like that. So I'm just going to copy this, select the whole thing, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I have the handling times and our store guarantee there. It talks about the 30-day money back guarantee and all of that. And then I like to also add like a picture of trust badges. Like I had some right here, but it didn't copy. So what you can do is you can actually insert it here, like after you do the handling times, the shipping and handling times. Click on this icon right here, and you can put a image URL right there. All you have to do is go to Google and type in trust badge PNG, and then go to images. And you're going to find a trust badge that you would like to use. I would probably recommend something like this. If you do use PayPal and Shopify payments, this would be good. Okay, or you could choose something like this. So now what you want to do is you want to right click and click on copy image address. That's going to copy the link for the image. Go back to overload that photo icon and paste it. Paste the URL into this box that says URL, and then hit confirm. And it's going to show up right there. I like to bold this and highlight this where it talks about the handling time. So I'm going to bold that. I don't have a way to highlight it here inside of Overload, but we can do that in Shopify. So, all right. So then you're going to just make sure that this looks all good, and you're going to import it to your store. This is the way your product pages should look. Professional. It should be written or typed out into paragraphs describing the product in a descriptive way to persuade the buyer to purchase. And you also want to make sure you have trust factors on your product page. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up on this video, and comment below in the comment section what type of videos you would like to see more of.